Okay, it's early Friday and I'm buttoning up the Civic. It's getting picked up today. I figured what I'll do is when Philip gets here to get it, I'll let him walk around and show you more on the car to give you a good explanation of what goes into building an all-wheel drive Civic. He can do a better walkthrough on what all he did. If you haven't followed his page or his channel, go follow it. He does a lot of coverage on the car. But anyway, when he gets here, I'll record some and get him to give you explanation on what he did to get the car to where it's at. All right, I'm out here with Philip. This is the owner of the car, and I'm gonna let him walk through and give you the details on his car.
All right, so it's a 1992 Honda Civic. It has a sleeved K24 with a K20 head. It's got a Precision 6466 turbo. It's all-wheel drive CRV transmission with a gear set. Got a wave track LSD. We're running a Land Rover drive shaft with a viscous coupler, and we've got a CRV rear differential with the pin clutches, welded spider gears, and then so yeah, it's all-wheel drive. Has the Hub City Performance rear trailing arms, diff mount, all that good stuff.
Now, was the Land Rover drive shaft, did you get that specifically for the viscous?
Yes.
And not the Honda?
Correct. I chose the Land Rover because it's cheaper and it's more readily available. I've actually got two of them from the junkyard, and I paid like $50 a piece for them.
Okay. And it just bolted up to the Honda stuff?
I had to buy some adapters to plug it up to the transmission as well as the differential, but they make those. You can buy them.
Okay. How much power do you think you want to make out of this?
I'm hoping for 800 plus. This motor made 757 with a 6266 when it's front wheel drive. So
okay.
A little bit bigger turbo, and hopefully it'll make some good power.
Cool. And this has the EG, like, is it a power steering or non-power steering rack in it?
Correct. It's VX, so it didn't come equipped with power steering initially.
Okay. 6466 with a 60mm turbo smart gate. The Ultra Race intake manifold, center feed. And I saw in there you also have the mechanical water pump.
I do. I have it's a Track Tough water plate. I have all the Track Tough components to convert it over to all the AN fittings. And then just electric water pump.
What size injectors do you have?
Right now it has 2000 cc injectors in there. This manifold is equipped with 80 injectors, but we just have 4 dummies in the bottom for now.
Okay. What shifter is this?
So that's a K-Tune race spec, and then I have a Willwood staging brake.
Is it going to front and back brakes?
Just the rear, but it's a pass-through design so that the pedal still retains the rear brakes too.
And here's the Hub City trailing arm kit.
Yeah, it's the diff mount, and then you have the lower control arms and the trailing arms. It has blocks, drag spec coilovers. And I'm running insane shaft axles in the rear.
Cool, that's it. That's a quick walk around on this car. If you got any questions, post it up. Let me know. I'll show him. He can answer anything you want to know about the car.
Yeah, and also you can follow the build series on my YouTube. It's Babb's Honda Repair. You can also find me on Facebook at Babb's Honda Repair.
And your Instagram, is it, what's on your windshield?
Yeah, it's on the windshield. It's boosted_92_EG_hatch. It's a bunch of underscores.
Okay. Look, I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Pushing through this life. Pushing through this life. Pushing through this life. Pushing through this life. Pushing through this life.
You know, man, music, life. You know, I'm just willing to take the journey, let it flow. You know how I feel, man.
Music in my soul, I want it all. Pushing through this line to get it all. Pushing through this life.